It is 8 a.m. I am tired because we were up very late last night, but I've had to come to our little doctor's office because I'm starting physical therapy. Now, I'm starting physical therapy for two reasons. It's a prerequisite for my insurance. I can't get back surgery without it. And two, we're going to see if it actually helps. Maybe it'll change things before surgery.
I did not expect you to come home with this type of a reaction.
I don't know if it's from the physical therapy or what, but I just feel sick.
I am so sorry.
I think it's all the standing and sitting, like, makes you dizzy, and I don't know, but man, I just felt sick there for just a minute.
So he said you were stiff as a board?
Well, he's like, you are really rigid. And he's like, we need to limber you up. Which I've kind of known that, and I feel like I've gotten more stiff, which is probably why my back hurts more than it usually does, because I am so stiff. So he's like, we're just going to work on that. But he's like, we'll take it a little bit at a time and just really see what we can do to help you out.
All right.
But the good news was my surgeon, he's like, if it's too painful, he's like, don't keep doing it. He's like, it's a prereq for your insurance. But if it's too painful, you don't have to commit
Endure
to it.
Yeah. And but how did you feel? Do you feel like it was, I guess you won't be able to tell for a minute. But you know when it's like too hard on your back. Like you know when you're pushing yourself.
Yeah,
do you felt like that? No,
and he wouldn't let me. He was pretty adamant about we're not pushing anything. We're not going to just try to, because I'm not a recovering patient that's got a joint that needs to get bent. You know? And he says that's very little of what physical therapists do. He says they mostly are working with people who have pain that they're trying to mitigate either prior to surgery or just in general. So that felt good.
That makes me feel good.
I mean, that is one of my goals, is to be more limber, to be more flexible, to learn how to just move. And I've always been stiff, maybe a byproduct of this my whole life. I don't know, but I just feel so stiff. And I think that's why it hurts so bad, because I don't bend in the right spots. He's like, you're not bending where you're supposed to. And maybe you're trying to protect your injury or whatnot, but he was doing a lot of tests to see, to like, okay, this is you bending, this hurts. This is you bending properly, but it probably hurts worse. That's probably two reasons. Your muscles aren't used to that, and it's hurting that joint. But
I bet you're sick just same way you kind of get if you haven't had a massage for a long time and you get like a big massage.
Yeah.
I wonder if it let out any toxins or whatever.
Oh, I'm sure of it. I really want a massage table. It's so comfortable to lay on, perfectly flat, and your head is down, and you can just, instant relief when I was laying like that. Especially if I put a pillow like under my pelvis area and it kind of propped me up, let me bend over it. It was fantastic.
You could write a letter to Santa.
Yeah.
You could ask Lady.
Did you want a massage table for Halloween? What's the next holiday coming up? Columbus Day's coming up. Let's get a massage table for that.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
What?
Smoke one, have a nice.
The edited version.
Wait, which one's your ring hand?
It doesn't matter. When you're, it doesn't matter.
No, I know. I'm trying.
But your left ring is your wedding ring finger.
Look, look how cool this is. You can like change it.
Joel bought me this ring
Look,
when
and
we
then
were in high school.
look, you like put it in, and then you can take it out, and then put like any color of them you want.
And
you
for
just, like,
sibling
sit
gift
down.
exchange one year, I think Julie got me this.
Oh yeah, do you guys like my nails for homecoming?
Had to turn down the old school censored rap we had going.
Well, we were all getting ready to bling up, so why would we not be listening?
That's right. What did you call all the jewelry?
The drip.
The trip.
Oh look, this is grandma. This is great grandma.
This was my mom's
Griffiths.
nail ring. And Olivia likes that.
It's so pretty.
Sweating knees weak, arms heavy, mom's spaghetti.
Little M&M. Cody likes the chains and the puka shell. So we're polishing them up.
And then a couple of these necklaces are gonna go in Cody's rooms, and me and Cody are gonna switch out them.
Yep, you can share. That was Dad's when he was in high school.
Maybe.
I think it's really fun that you guys want to wear the jewelry. And if you want to wear it, I want you to wear it. So yeah, the green is so cute. That was my favorite ring ever.
It's so pretty.
That one? Oh yeah, look at that color.
And Joel's dad had to use his credit card. And this was when like buying things on the internet very first.
Nobody's website looked nice. It was like there was hardly a picture of it. Search engines were like just getting started, and
Yeah, it was wild.
it was fun.
Okay, this is the OG charm bracelet. You want to see this bad boy? Let's just take a gander.
Heavy.
Oh, it's a stout little puppy. Okay, and I need to wear it. Okay, show the charms. So flip them over one by one.
handle you wearing this.
Oh, you gotta turn them over. Turn the alarm clock over.
Oh.
There's a story behind each one, but
It's telling the time. It's
okay. So an alarm clock. Show the next one.
6:05. That's too early.
I think my mom said she didn't like getting up for the bus that early or something. Okay, there's a piano or an organ, sewing machine, and spin the spin.
But does the
It
needle
works.
actually go like that?
No, but that rotates. There's a basketball, a horse. Flip the phone over. She loved talking on the phone. I believe that's her birthstone.
That's cute. Like
The car.
VW Beetle. Let's see what's this. Oh, a desk. Look at the desk.
Oh
She's
gosh.
sweaty. And her fishies.
Fish. You can see she's a little tomboy, but also a girly girl. She loves to paint.
A motorcycle.
Yeah. Something about a boyfriend maybe.
And a motorboat.
A boat. Her class ring.
Oh, that's fun.
Isn't that cute? I need to get it all polished and
So
wear
that was
it.
your mom's?
Yeah.
She gave it to you?
Yeah, because I threw a fit one day. You gave all your jewelry to everyone else, and I don't have anything. And so she gave me this. See, what I should have done is you kids. Can we look through your jewelry box? And tried everything on and oogled and ogled. And I'm like, have it, take
I do that all the time.
Yeah, I know. Olivia.
Especially when we had our cousins over, I'd be like, oh, we should go ask grandma if we can look through her jewelry.
That's a good way to do that.
But
Yeah, that's a surefire way to get a piece of jewelry.
Yeah, and
I tried doing that with Grandpa. Let's go look through your garage. Nothing.
That's a nice four-wheeler you got
Great
there.
looking razor.
Can I have it? Where's the keys?
You don't want to drive it anymore.
Who did that to you? Who did that to you? Come on. Come on, let's go. Come here. Yeah, you don't like it. You can feel it. Come here. Come on.
There comes cookie cheese.
Go. There you go. Go. She doesn't. She hates it.
Aww.
Who did that?
Yeah.
My guess is Boston.
Oh, that's a little tight too. No wonder it hurts.
Yeah, it was probably Boston. To close the vlog, I have to show you these. These are a jewelry polishing cloth. Listen, I have used plenty of jewelry polishing cloths in my day. I don't know what it is about this. There is nothing like this. This works so stinking good. I would compare it to like, this is the magic eraser of jewelry polishing. That's how I would describe this. So I'll put a link for these in the description because they're like pretty cheap for all of these. I'm gonna try to give you a demo. This is sterling silver and it's literally black. And the reason it's so black is because when we had our house fumigated in the other home, they said that it would just like tarnish the heck out of your jewelry. So we're just gonna see what we can do just to give you this little demo. I mean, one tiny swipe and look at that. And this, I mean, it's like on there. It kind of gets your hands dirty and black, but look at that. Zero effort at all. Here's the before. Here's the after. It's actually insane. We're just gonna do the other side here. Tell me how cute the kids were looking through my jewelry box. They just came up in my room, I think it was a Saturday morning, and we just went through my jewelry, and now all of my bracelet, or all of my, all those chains that they were wearing, they're now downstairs in the kids' closet, and they rotate wearing them each day. And I just thought that was the sweetest thing in the world. So they're wearing my jewelry, and I'd much rather them wear it than it sit. You know what I mean? And if they're excited about it, if your kids are excited about something, that's like so much fun. Okay, well, you see how incredible. Look at that. All right, my doorbell's ringing. Gotta go. Bye.